here.
Smokes, man. You see that up there? Hey, dude. All right, man. Everything okay?
It's Buck here from Buks Legend. We're back with another T-shirt Tuesday, and this week we've got Gtechniq.
Whoa.
Hey.
I'm Buck.
I'm Buck.
I don't know who this guy is.
It's Davey B.
Oh, Davey B. Fake news gotcha! But it's still T-shirt Tuesday, so let's bring out the big guns.
How's it going? Eric Joseph here from Gtechniq North America. With T-shirt Tuesday, we have our 2018 SEMA team shirt here that just came back from the moon. So we're here at Lake Country having a great time with these guys and our installers from Madison, Wisconsin, Buks LGD. Looking to see everyone at the Serum Summit in Dawsonville, Georgia at Atlanta Motorsports Park, February of 2020.
You guys loved our giveaway so much last time that this week we're gonna give away our biggest giveaway so far on T-shirt Tuesday from our boys over at Gtechniq. But our feature prize are these sweet Tipsy Elves glasses signed by our boy Buck from Buks Legend. But I think the key prize is this Gtechniq complete detailers package. So Eric, tell us all about it.
Yeah, so we were so inspired by what went on when David dressed as Buck and went to the moon that we decided we had to come back and make it more of a series. So to tell the story a bit, it all started when Buck and Mitch sent a Ford GT to the moon in late 2017 prior to Tesla. 2018 came around, we had our first Serum Summit where Buck told everyone the story, had the whole room in tears. It was absolutely hysterical. I'm so glad that Dave was able to play off of it again and bring this back in so we can have some fun with it. So we're looking to give away a master detailing kit, which contains one of all of our products and every coating that we offer besides Crystal Serum Ultra to get you guys and girls on the product, rocking and rolling with our shirt, which is the SEMA 2018 team shirt. Really can't get it. Those Tipsy Elves glasses, not gloves. And that's about it.
Yeah, that's almost $500. So make sure you go over to our YouTube channel, like Lake Country Manufacturing's YouTube channel, like Gtechniq's. Make sure you comment on this video below and we'll pick a winner to give you all this cool stuff.
Thanks for watching.